Hey, it's NG Phoenix here. Today I'm going to be showing everyone how to add custom particles for Minecraft. I'm surprised ModLoader hasn't done this yet, but I guess we'll just start. So, if you know how to make your own particle FX class but not to add it, you can use that. But for now, I'm just going to make a copy of the Smoke FX class. And just copy. Make sure you rename it, of course. So we have our new class entity Blue Smoke FX. For this tutorial, it's going to be adding primarily, but it'll also show you how to change color, of course. So by default, it should have this particle red equals green equals blue equals some math.random thingy. So we're going to split these up into individual lines. They red, green, and blue default to 1, so I'd recommend setting them all if you want sure results. And it goes 0 float to 1 float, and between that is just how it works. So you can change other variables if you want. You can change these D1, D2, which is X, Y, Z, 3, 4, and 5, which is the motion modifiers that are X, Y, Z, and this float F is the scale of the particle. We'll get to that later. So you can change everything you want first. Now we're going to go to our render global class. It's a really big class, so I'd recommend Control F searching for one of the particle names. The first one that comes to mind is smoke, of course. And then you'll be taken to a function that looks like this called spawnParticle. And you'll have all sorts of if-else. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a copy of this smoke. Oh, not a cut, but a copy of this if S equals smoke. Adjust the brackets. Change it to blue smoke, of course. And so you can call our new class entity Blue Smoke FX with the XYZ, motion XYZ, and the world object. So I'm going to use my chimney block for this. I've already changed it. You world.spawnParticle using the name that you set in render global over here. And a bunch of jumbled up variables, comma, the X, Y, and Z basically. And the motion's just left still for now. So we'll just run our game on our screenshot map. And as you see, it creates little tiny blue smoke FX. If you want them bigger, there's a simple way to do that. You remember that extra float that we had for the blue smoke class? Well, this is where it comes into use. So we're going to add an extra parameter to our blue smoke one. And we're just going to do a 2F. The default size is 1 float, of course, but we're going to use 2 float, of course. Save it. And now we have larger smoke particles. So you can adjust your smoke particle class to your standards, and that's how you add custom particles to Minecraft.